got a skipper's meeting, which Greg Aguera, our race director, will be doing at 9:30 in the morning. And just want to wish everybody good luck and welcome.
You look like
Night scope.
That's my
It's night scope.
Nice.
Now we're going.
We love Red Bull. Thank you so much for the kite contest. We love it.
As a lot of you know, I have a lot of tape, and I'm just getting started on editing it. I want to do a little history of kiteboarding. This is back in 2003, the beginning of the contest on Maui for the Red Bull King of the Year. Had to be postponed a little bit because the surf was a little too big for the trials, but the windsurfers had a good time, and I'll be bringing more of this tape to you, so I hope you enjoy it.